How to fix Instagram limit problem. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix the limit problem in less than 1 minute. So the first thing you wanna do is open the settings on your phone. Open the apps manager. And when you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. All what you wanna do is wait a few seconds and then scroll all the way until you find the Instagram app. Click on Instagram app and then click on this force stop right here. And then go down here to the storage option. Click on clear data and click on delete. Now all what you want to do is go back and click on the permissions right here. Make sure that all those permissions are enabled. And then go back to the settings of your phone. Click on the wireless and networks and then enable the airplane mode and disable it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial.